Calaguachera, here we are in the train. Come and join us today. We are going around Paris for my mom and so come and join us. And we will go to the most expensive food in Paris. So come and join us. But first, we are hungry and we found McDonald's here in Paris, our favorite McDonald's. So here we are at McDonald's Paris for lunch. Yes, they also have McDonald's in Paris. Wow, amazing, huh? Joke. It's all over the world, and to be safe, my mom can eat French fries, so we pass by here and have some snack. Before we're going to the most expensive place in the world, in Paris, by the way. Yeah, and on the way there, as you see, look, we are here now at Arc de Triomphe. We're passing by. So picture muna dito sa the most popular here in the circle, Arc de Triomphe. Ayan, the most popular, like it's a gate, right? Go through. See? So picture. Picture. So you can make picture too. Picture tayo dito. And there also have underground here. Going para sa gitna, makarating ka doon. So, but we always also close the road. Ayan, picture dear, sa popular dito sa Paris, Arc de Triomphe. Ayan, sa likod nyo. Tapos, ayan, we're going to the middle. Ayan, pupuntahan namin talaga sa gitna yung Arc de Triomphe. Meron yan underpass. Ayan, sa underground tunnel. Ayan, dito kami lumabas. Nandito na kami sa Arc de Triomphe. O, diba? So, ang daming tao. Pero mahaba ang pila going up. Huwag na tayong tumaas. Ayan, look. Ang ganda. O, nakakita na naman ng double T ang nanay ko. Ang dami daw din ditong double T na mga statue. Oh, picture muna tayo dito. Picture. At tatawid tayo papunta sa the most expensive here. That's the most expensive street in Paris. Tatawid tayo dyan. Ayan. So, picture muna bago tayo tumawid. Maganda dito mag-picture sa gitna ng kalsada. Ayan, mother. Ayan, sandali. Picture tayo dito sa gitna ng kalsada. Bibilisan lang natin habang wala yung mga sasakyan. Ayan. Bilis kayo. Picture muna tayo. O, diba? Picture. Bilisan nyo at baka masagasaan tayo. Okay na. Bilis. Picture ko muna. Ikaw, mother dear ko. Oh, ayan, sa gitna ng kalsada. O, diba? And here through the most expensive street in Paris. Yan, ang ganda. Look, the Christmas tree ng Christian Dior. Wow, sobrang ganda naman ng Christmas tree nila. Lucky, hindi pa nila tinatanggal. O, diba? O, Christmas Dior, Christmas tree. Oh, picture muna, my love. Ayan na ba? At nag-model pa si my love. Oh, ayan, mother dear ko. Picture muna tayo dito. Sa hayan ng Arc de Triomphe. So, heto ang Champs-Élysées. Sa tapat niya. Mas expensive. Nandito si Louis Vuitton. Oh, ayan. Sa likod. Louis Vuitton, ginawa nilang Louis Vuitton bag ng kanilang building.
Ma, dito ka sa Louis Vuitton. Ayan o. Ito yung Louis Vuitton building. Ayun o. Ayun. Ayan. Kita mo yung building, Louis Vuitton, no? Ganyan ang itsura.
At hinahanap ko yung lumalakad na ano.
Yun ang pinakamahal na building, oh. Ayan, oh. Yan ang Louis Vuitton. Ma, oh, por acá caminamos por acá. Para allá. Take me a picture with Louis Vuitton. I got it.
Ayan si Louis Vuitton bag. Oh, ayan. Pati building. So, picture. Nandito tayo. Ayan, pambili ng Louis Vuitton. At least may picture tayo, diba? Oh, picture, Ricky. Ayan. O, ayan ang mother dear ko. Picture kayo. Picture tayo. At tapos nito ay pupunta naman tayo sa ibang lugar. So nice. Thank you so much guys for joining us. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, at nag-i-enjoy ang mother ko mag-picture. O, dito sa the most expensive street in Paris. Ayan, ang favorite ng lahat, ang Louis Vuitton. Ayan, ang aking Louis Vuitton. When the first time I came here, hindi pa ganyan yung building. That was about more than 20 years ago. Yes, ganun katagal. At ito ang Arc de Triomphe, picture sa gitna ng street. Salamat. Thank you so much guys.